Last made this video about 3 months ago, Cursor has pretty much released all the features and functionalities that Claude Code has, which is plan mode. Um, Pretty much that's the only benefit. And they've also released Composer One, which is kind of like this really fast model, which is really nice to use if you're trying to kind of lock in and get into flow without like having to wait 5-10 minutes for LLMs to return data. So it's kind of like the opposite of using Codex. Um, Claude Code now, I barely use it. It's kind of like I use it just because I pay for it and I feel bad for paying for something and not using it. That's kind of like the only reason. It does still give you really reliable results with 4.5. And, the plan mode is still good. It doesn't look as good as Cursor. The plan mode, I mean, the quality of the plan is good. It's just, it doesn't look as and feel as nice as when you go plan mode with Cursor, but it does still get the job done. There are slight limitations with using Claude Code within the Cursor IDE as an extension, but it's not terrible. It's manageable. And now, really, what I really like to do is kind of distinguish between am I using plan mode or am I expecting code back? And the real baseline for me personally is I should always know what to expect from the LLM, whether it's plan, whether it's code. I need to know exactly what's going to, or have like a really high expectation of what's going to come back. When I'm using plan mode, if I don't know what I'm expecting, I'm like really, really mentally focused on what the results are and making sure that the plan that comes back is very like deterministic of what I want it to do. I'm also not prompting big things, especially in plan mode. I'm very like targeted. I'm very specific with what changes I want made. And that's kind of like how I'm using Cursor or Claude Code or, all the different LLMs. And that's like been working pretty well for me. I don't see any real like I don't foresee anything saying like Claude Code's going to come in with like their own IDE. So I think Claude Code might just phase out, but I'm not entirely sure. Some people still really like using Claude Code. I'm kind of indifferent. I generally prefer Cursor now. But yeah, that's kind of like where I'm seeing things. And this has only been 3 months. So things are moving really, really fast.